Rookie Lauri Markkanen with another career high, 33 points against the Knicks. He just had a career high. Oh, baby, the spin move, the slam from Porzingis. What a poster. The rookie just had a career high on December 29th against the Indiana Pacers. He scored 32 points, so 33 tonight. This is just amazing to watch. Look at the rookie gunning with no hesitation, no fear. He's gonna throw down a poster over Cantor, slashing from the three-point line. That is a big man, ladies and gentlemen. Into the fourth quarter we go. Valentine gonna step it back, splash. Gives the Bulls the lead, and this was a back and forth affair. Jarrett Jack comes off the screen, a mid-range shot, nothing but net to tie. 9 seconds. The Bulls can win it on the road. They give it to Chris Dunn. Working it 1v1. Jarrett Jack got him leaning. That's a good shot, a good look, and he's off. So we're gonna go to overtime. The fans in New York are happy they did not lose at the buzzer in overtime. Look at Jarrett Jack. He's going to inbound it off the back of the defense and then hit him with a floater. Looking like MJ right there. Then he's going to come off the inbound. Going to find Porzingis at the buzzer. Throws it down to tie to force a second overtime. Look, he barely beats the clock with the slam. That is clutch in double overtime. The Bulls get it inside to Robin Lopez. That's too easy. You can't give up a dunk like that in overtime. Porzingis gonna throw down a slam of his own to tie the game. 1 minute remains. Done. Quick crossover move. Floater alert. Off the glass to take the lead. Knicks down 4. 10 seconds to play. Porzingis in the clutch, and now they're down by 3. They have to go the length of the court. Jarrett Jack pulls up from behind the line, and it's off. The Knicks lose a tough one. Wow. What a performance from the Bulls rookie, career high 33 points. There's Haley. My opponent's been attacking the flat all game long, so I put him in the flat, and then when the ball is thrown, he runs away from the play. He was terrified of tackling that guy. He just said, I'm gonna just go back over here. So I had to sell him.